In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make both AirPods work at the same time. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having this issue, I'm gonna present you three methods to make sure both AirPods work at the same time. First, check if both AirPods have enough battery by placing them in a charging case, opening the case's lid, and hold it near your iPhone. Your iPhone will then show you the battery percentage for your AirPods. Or go into the Bluetooth settings for your AirPods or any Apple device and check the battery in there. After ensuring that they have enough battery to play, you can try reconnecting your AirPods. So open up the settings on your iPhone, select Bluetooth, and within the Bluetooth settings, tap the I button next to your AirPods and disconnect them. Afterwards, reconnect them and see if both are synced up. For the last method, go into your settings menu again, but this time go to accessibility. Scroll down into audio/visual and look at the letters left and right in the balance tab. Move the slider straight to the middle and make sure it has a perfect 50-50 balance, and also turn off mono audio if it's enabled. By doing these methods, you are going to ensure that both of your AirPods are synced and working at the same time. I hope I was able to help you on how to make both AirPods work at the same time. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.